Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm introducing something new. Something new called the 5-day Learn.Launch.Lead challenge by Legendary Marketer. It used to be 15 days, now it's 5 days. And it's for you if you, for example, you have skills. You know, these days you can market any skills, you can package any skills. If you have any skills, you have a profession, and you want to create a digital product, like to provide to people digitally, meaning like a download or something like that. And it's also for you, this challenge, this course is for you if you have like a business already, maybe a local business or a service, and you want to start marketing it online, but in an automated way. You get guidance how to do that. And also for you, for people like me who like to promote products and get paid, affiliate marketers. So even more, you can do more with this. So it's provided by Legendary Marketer. It replaces what they had, which was a 15-day challenge. So if you are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA. I'm very passionate about business. Introduced to me by these books. There used to be old versions of these books, but now this is a Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and this Cash Flow Quadrant. Since I got this knowledge, I believe business is a way. So don't be scared of business, because these courses like these are going to show you what to do step by step. See? But in other videos, I motivate. I like to say, take a step to make your life better. I also talk about personal development, the mindset, and all that stuff. So if you think any of that makes sense, it's a good thing, please consider subscribing to my channel and click on that bell so you get notified when I have new videos, which come all the time, every time. Please subscribe and stay. Don't subscribe and then see me again and unsubscribe. If you subscribe, just know that you're going to see me again. But if you're not ready to see me again, that's okay too. But for now, let's focus on this video. This is an introduction. This is new and it's detailed, so I'll bring more details. But for today, let's do an overview of this 5-day Learn, Launch, Lead challenge. Meaning you have to learn first, then you launch, then you lead. That means become a leader, right? So it was this Legendary Marketer, the company is by the gentleman, his name is Dave Sharpe. We call him Dave Sharpe, and has a long story. If you choose to continue, when I show you how to continue, he tells his own story. So he's making millions right now. He's a leader in the industry, the online marketing space. Okay, I won't spend much on that because he tells his own story. Now, this 5-day challenge it used to be 15 days. But now he compacted the knowledge and also made it more updated in just 5 days. Each day is like about an hour to go through, and it's a lot. I mean, good information. So I'm going to explain. I'm going to go to the computer. Day 1, he's talking about learning. You have to learn. Day 2, he's talking about launch. Then day 3, he talks about lead. Then number 4, he talks about your mindset. And then number 5, he talks about the business plan. You need a business plan. So let me go to the computer now, just briefly. This is not intended to be a long video. I'll come later and go in detail. Day 1 in detail, day 2 in detail, like that. But for today, we are doing just an overview, and I'm going to show you how you can get access to this, okay? So day 1, he says learn. Introduction to digital marketing. That's day 1. And he talks about the understand the 4 core areas of digital marketing, and he gives you options. Then he introduces funnels. Funnels, that's how you get to automate your business online these days, the modern way. It's like a website, but funnels. And then on day 2, he talks about launch. Remember, the first one was learn, now launch. So he said day 2 launch with a focus on content creation because of social media and all that, right? And he says he's sharing quick launch strategies. Learn how to quickly launch your business with a focus on content creation. When you say content creation, you just will see online people creating videos, TikTok videos, Reels, Instagram Reels, or this kind of video. That's content creation. And then in day 2, he introduces faceless marketing. For some of you who connect with me, you want faceless, don't want to be seen. So it's in day 2, introduction to faceless marketing. You can get your first post up quickly without adding anxiety of going on camera. So it's showing you how to do that. Remember, these are detailed discussions. So like an hour a day, even over a little bit. Then on day 3, he's talking about lead with confidence. He says with that, but this Dave is the one teaching, but some other people, but mostly Dave. We dive into detailed content creation where you are the face of your brand. We show you how to unlock the leader hidden within. You may not think you're a leader, but you are. And arm you with the tool belt of content strategy and tips. That was day 3. Therefore, he gets into the mindset. That's so important. Entrepreneur mindset. And he says, he talks about understand the mindset and the dynamics of what it takes to be a successful entrepreneur or business person, okay, business owner. Number 5, something so important, he talks about the business plan. Craft your plan. Dave walks you through putting together a comprehensive business plan so you can continue to take focused, intentional action with your online business. That's the summary of day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. And when in future videos, I'm going to go in detail of what is actually in day 1 and day 2. And by the way, you have to understand, me, I'm an affiliate marketer. So I promote all this, but I promote only things that make sense, only things that are going to change your life. And right now, I have another one. Some of you know that I talk about Brian too, but the two are connected. So if you now the problem is that this time I'm not asking for your email in this video. So I'm sending you straight to Dave. So that means you may not see me again. So this is what we're going to do. Putting an email. Please save this video if you want to connect with me, because you may not see me and you may have questions. And me, I have my own community. I support people. So if you want to connect with me, note down this email and send me an email right now. You say, I just watched a video, I want to connect with you. I'll show you another way to get into my community. The other way is I'll put a link below this video. It's, I say, community, connect with me, my community, join my community. That way you can get to me also. So this email also, the other one is the better, because this one is temporary. The other one is more permanent because you get my WhatsApp numbers, okay? Below in the description. But below also in the description, I'm putting a link to this if you want it. Now, how much does it cost? He made it so cheap, $5. The 15-day was costing $15. The 15-day challenge was costing $7. This one is only $5, and you get all this intro. But what happens when you get to the 5th day? Remember the 5th day, he's talking about the business plan. Now he'll introduce you to an upgrade. If you want the details, they call them the blueprints. If you want the detail to be in this community, wow, it's like you are in another world. They are excited people are sharing what they're doing and all this. If you want to be part of that community and to build your business guided by them, then he's going to introduce you to upgrading. You have the special there on day 5. So just know that. You pay $5, you go through this day by day, and then on day 5, he's going to introduce you if you want to know more, if you want to be guided more. Now, let me mention something. When you go to click this link and you choose to pay the $5, they're going to ask you, do you need an advisor or not? The paths are different. When we do this, like for us who are already doing this for a while, you may not need an advisor. By the way, I had to buy it too to get access to this. I had to pay also. So I chose no advisor because I knew I've been with them for a while. But for you, if you need guidance, choose advisor. So the advisor is free, but they're going to be the one unlocking for you, and then you can communicate with them on Zoom and stuff like that. You choose that. That way you have guidance, okay? So that's this challenge. And yeah, if you want to connect with me, I do many other things, by the way. not just this. I have the step-by-step affiliate marketing starting from scratch, especially if you're in other countries. Because this one, if you're in Africa, no, it's not in Africa, but in Africa, only South Africa. But other countries, just try to pay and see if they take your card. If they don't take your payment, that means it's not there. But it's more available in more countries, this one. But Africa, only South Africa. So if you're in Africa and you're watching this, please don't even try this one. Just get to my community. Have a community below in the description and connect with me. Say, what about me? I will send you to partner with Anthony. That's the one that's international, more international. Now, if you are in West Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, that the only way I can support you is to help you with social media, how to grow on TikTok, because all these systems do not take your cards. So I don't know why they do that, but that's how it is. Okay, thank you for watching this, but expect, this was just a summary. In future videos, expect me to be talking more about it and inviting you also. Pay the $5, and also when you pay the $5, watch the videos, because some people pay but they never even log in. Please go slowly. Allow at least an hour every day when you are going through this, and choose the advisor, I think, because the advisor may advise you better than me, because then you have access to the whole system. They'll advise you what to do, how you benefit from this. And for you, if you want to make money with this, you want to be in my community, because that's where we have all the tips. So be in my community, and also send me a message. Once you choose community, you put your email, you get my WhatsApp number, send me a message immediately. But of course, when you're in my community, you'll hear from me more. Even if you don't respond quickly, I'll send you a reminder. Okay, thank you so much for watching it. I just celebrated 5 years. No. I'm about to celebrate 5 years. I just celebrated 1,000 videos on YouTube. So if you want to be on YouTube too, me, I don't mind sharing. Get in my community and say, I want to be close to you, because we are learning a lot. This social media, you can make money from it. There are so many ways. That's why I need to get to me. So I say, okay, what's your situation? Me, I only have a phone. I don't have a laptop. Options. I have everything I need. Options. I want to work from home. Options. So many options, okay? I want low ticket. I want high ticket. I want a real business. We have all the options. So get in touch with me. Like I always end them, I said, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health. Without health, we have nothing. Take a step to a better. You don't forget, check the description of this video and go. I'm not asking for your email if you're going to go to this challenge. All you have to do is click, watch Dave, and if you like what he's saying, pay $5. But I'll have to connect with you if you decide to get in there, because I'll be very useful to you, because I give my own tips. I do them via Zoom. Thank you so much. Okay? Like it, please. Add a comment for me. What do you think? Bye-bye.